Kernel Office 365 Backup and Restore is a smart and secured backup and migration tool to meet all your Office 365 migration needs under a single hood. This standalone tool allows to effortlessly backup a number of Office 365 mailboxes at once, and then restore them conveniently to separate PST files. Use this backup option to migrate your Office 365 mailboxes to PST files. The tool allows you to migrate in 4 simple steps. 1. Select source. 2. Add filters. 3. Select destination. 4. Then migrate. Use this Add button to add single or multiple Office 365 mailboxes for the migration. Select this option to migrate single mailbox only. Provide its log-in credentials to add as the source platform. Set filters in case you want to migrate specific emails and items from source to the destination. The tool then lists all the folders with its item count of the provided user mailbox. Check or uncheck the folders that you want or do not want to migrate. You can also run a quick search of the folder by its name or item count. You may also filter the mailbox data based on date range, item type filter, and other factors. You can also change the operation timeout for larger emails using this drop-down menu. Once all set, then start the migration by providing the path wherein you want to restore PST file. The tool now saves all your Office 365 data to PST file. Once the process is completed, you can save the report to CSV file as well. You can also view the migration logs from here. Now go back to the main screen to backup multiple mailboxes. The method to backup multiple mailboxes to PST files is similar as of single mailbox migration process. However, you can also use this import from CSV option to add multiple mailboxes simultaneously using Excel spreadsheet. To do this, you can first download a sample CSV file and add multiple source and target destinations simultaneously. Otherwise, use the Add button and select this option to migrate multiple mailboxes by providing the login credentials. But make sure you are logging in with Global Admin User account to smoothly add multiple mailboxes. Click Get User Mailboxes to list all mailboxes from the provided admin account. You can uncheck the mailbox that you don't want to backup. In case you have missed any mailbox, then use this option to log in again and add the desired ones from here. Otherwise, jump to Filter or Migrate options. The tool lists all the folders of the selected mailboxes. By default, all the folders are checked, but you can uncheck the unimportant ones manually. Similarly, apply the desired filter options and proceed for the migration. The software shows the live status of all the mailboxes that are being backed up. Once the backup process is completed, it displays process completion information. Then you can save the report to CSV file. The tool backups the Office 365 mailboxes in separate PST files on the user-specified location. To know how to restore PST files to Office 365 mailboxes, watch this dedicated video. Thanks for watching the video.